Jingle Bells, klingt es weit und breit. Macht mit mir eine Schneeballschlacht, der Winter steht bereit. Er kam auf leisen Sohlen ganz über Nacht, hat heimlich und verstohlen den ersten Schnee gebracht.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Alla wat van het is te rijden en van een horse van een sleigh. Oi, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Alla wat van het is te rijden en van een horse van een sleigh.
Jingle Bells, klingt es weit und breit. Macht mit mir eine Schneeballschlacht, der Winter steht bereit. Er kam auf leisen Sohlen ganz über Nacht, hat heimlich und verstohlen den ersten Schnee gebracht.
Hey guys, so we're back from shopping. I thought I would share with you what we got from Carter's, and we did go to Walmart just to find a couple other things, so I have that here as well. So let's get going. So the first is a 3-piece set. It comes with a sweater, an undershirt that also has trucks on it. It's so cute, little trees. And then it just comes with a black pair of pants. And this was $26, but it was 50% off, so we got it for $13. I'm obsessed with this. So it's a buffalo check, like burqa sweater. It is so soft and so fluffy. I almost got the army, like the camouflage one, until I saw this one. So pretty. This was $20 and it was 40% off, so it was probably about 12 bucks. Next we just got him a red pair of pants. So they're just joggers. There's a cute pocket on the butt, and these were $16. I do believe they were also on sale, so they're just red. And then we got him another black pair as well with drawstrings, and these drawstrings, nope, still don't work. So they have little pockets on the sides that are also just for show, and an elastic bottom. These were $14.50. I also believe they were on sale. And then the last thing we got from Carter's, guys, it is so cute, but it is this sloth, like, ugly Christmas sweater. Adorable. And this was on clearance for $7.99, down from $20. These are all Canadian prices, by the way. That's Carter's. Now to Walmart. So Wyatt's switching to his 12 to 18 months now, and I realized that there's, I think, 3 or 4 navy blue pairs of pants. So I wanted to go ahead and get him something that was gonna match with that. So I got this. It's just a long sleeve onesie, and it was $4 from Walmart. This Christmas, it's Wyatt's first Christmas, and we thought we would go ahead and do a Christmas Eve box. So in that box we are including a movie. I have an ornament that says Baby's First Christmas, and I wanted to put a pair of Christmas pajamas in. So I think I'm going to show you guys the Christmas Eve box when we do something else. But for that I got these pajamas. So these are the pants. Merry everything. So that's his little Christmas Eve set. So cute. And then my mom could not leave this in the store, but it is hilarious. I'm pretty sure I can play it for you because it's not the actual song. So this is for Wyatt. Enjoy. Isn't that the cutest thing? So this was Wyatt's little extra toy he got today. So it also freaked the crap out of the cats, by the way. So thanks for coming shopping with us, and I really hope you liked the haul and maybe it gave you guys some ideas and maybe you want to go run out and grab it. I highly suggest because things are flying off the shelves. See you guys next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.